think of my new straight pipe? I think she sounds a lot better. I hopped off here to get the gate quick, but as you can see, I've got that field, that side of the fence all raked up, and I'm just starting on this side. Like we've mentioned before, there's not a lot out here, but it's still worth cutting. You guys have seen me rake a bunch of times though. I just figured I'd show off my quick little upgrade to the case. You've been seeing all this David Brown action. I figured the case needed something new and exciting going on in its life. So, anyway, but, like I said, you guys have seen me rake a bunch of times before, but what's coming up next I think you guys are going to really like, so stay tuned for that. Well, we see the wagon off to the right side, and Dad over there playing with the case and the new straight pipe. I think he likes it too. He's over there flipping windrows over, because I actually raked this up yesterday, and then decided to wait a little longer to bale it, so we're baling it today. So he's out there flipping the hay back over to get it up off the ground a little bit. Since this time of year, it's the beginning of September currently, and this time of year the dew's on the ground longer in the morning, so we're trying to get it flipped up. You hear the David Brown, I guess now that I have two David Browns I have to elaborate, we can hear the David Brown 1200 chugging over here with the new baler, but oh my gosh, yep, well I spoiled the surprise. Yep, we got a new baler, new Holland 310 with a kicker. That is the best part of this whole deal, is this kicker. Saving me so much time and not having to pay people to help me stack wagons. Now I need to get another wagon, because this is the only one I have currently that's actually a kicker wagon. So yeah, holy crap. I didn't want to shut the tractor off because it's hot, so I'm just letting it idle here. So I'll show it to you with it turned on. This thing runs pretty good. It's doing a thing where it's like every 10 bales or so it wants to kick a reject bale, and we can't figure out why, but I'm hoping it's just because the string that's in it currently is the string that was in it when I bought it, because it had plenty of string in it. It came with plenty of string, but that string has been sitting for a few years, because when I bought it the guy hadn't used the baler in a few years. So I'm hoping it's just the old string, because all the other bales seem fine, and then just randomly it kicks out a bad bale and then the next bale's okay. But this thing is so much nicer than my old baler. You'd be surprised, that kicker, all that extra drag, that's about all this tractor wants. I'm gonna have to get a bigger tractor now. I just bought a tractor, but it wasn't a bigger one, so I guess the next tractor is gonna be bigger. But she'll run her at full throttle, but you know, I don't think the 990 would want to run this baler. But anyway, let's get to some action shots of this new unit.